Hi, Reverend Victoria Loveland Cohen here from Unity Center of Peace, and I am thrilled to tell you that we are offering our week-long spiritual enrichment classes once again at the end of March. But this year, we got a little different focus, a different perspective. This intensive is now known as Personal Growth for Spiritual Explorers. Do you consider yourself a spiritual explorer? Are you spiritually curious? If so, we've got 3 classes that will take you to the next level of growth. So, in addition to these personal and spiritual growth aspects of these classes, this is an opportunity to make new friends, get together with others, like minded, open hearted people who are all on a journey of self exploration. So for more information about these classes, dates and times, and how to register, which by the way are all offered on Zoom, please go to unitychapelhill.org. I'll see you in class.